Hi, this is Jonathan at ImageAssist. I'm so excited to share with you today a new web app and a new albums feature that we've rolled out this week. When you log in to the new web app, you land on the dashboard. Here is your control center where you'll see your total patients, total photos taken, the number of sessions you've taken, and the number of new patients you've added this month. You can see all of this activity over a chart to see when your team is active. It's easy to add a new patient from this page, see recent patients, recent sessions, as well as an interesting breakdown of a photo distribution by body part to show you which guides that you're using the most in your practice. In the left nav, you can see patients, different sessions. You can click into any session, see the photos at a glance. You can update and manage the tags that are available. You'll see that carpal tunnel, pre-op, and left are currently selected. I can search through a number of procedure tags or create custom tags for providers or different personalizations that your practice wants to do. Next is the albums feature, which we're so excited about. It's so easy to add photos to any album. You can favorite albums, share them with a team, mark a featured album which shows up on every team member's dashboard, and quickly select photos from an album or from a session and add them to a before and after viewer and builder. Let's say you want to add more photos to another view. Easily select the patient and then drag and drop those photos. All right. Next are more administrative controls that we provided to make managing ImageAssist even easier. Administrators will see the Team Management tab. Here you'll see which subscription you're on, the number of seats that you have available, and where you can easily invite more team members to your account. You can see which team members have accepted their account or are linked, which are still pending, and the administrator. The administrator will also be able to manage billing all in one place, see which account they're on, when the next billing cycle is at, and manage their account accordingly. Integrations are also managed here in the web app. Let's show an example of 4D. So here I'll input my client ID and secret. I have that information already saved, and so I will just add it here. Now you'll notice the green icon which says connected. When I go back to the dashboard, I'll see that patients and photos significantly jumped up because we've been taking a lot of photos with this integration. You can see all that activity and the new patients that are now pulled from 4D platform are all here. So we're so excited for you to have this new web app and the new albums feature. We would love any feedback that you have. We're always trying to make our platform better to speed up workflows and make clinical photography more efficient and more productive for our customers. Thank you.